remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Yay! Crumb Boss and the producer. Crumb Boss, everybody.
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! Like, people don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting! Wait, one more thing! Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Hey everybody, it's Steph the producer. Somehow, this bottle of water is going to make me smarter than I already am. Smarter than the Crumb Boss?
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here. Steph recommends all you dopes start drinking smart water.
Yeah, all you dopes start drinking smart water, because honestly, that's all I drink. That's why I'm so freaking brilliant.
That's why she's a genius.
A genius. And right now, Crumb Boss is on video part 2 of how to ice the tie-dye cupcakes that she made. Get it, tie-dye?
Get it?
Get it.
Alright guys, it's not really that. It's more like how to make a rainbow icing, but we are using it on the tie-dye cupcakes that we just made in the last video. So if you want to go and see how I did an easy tie-dye, one bowl recipe for all different colors, go check out that video. But for this one, I'm just going to show you how to make a rainbow swirl icing in one pastry bag. So what I have, obviously though, I have a ton of pastry bags, and this is how I fill it. I find that this is the easiest way, but I think for you guys at home who would not have at your disposal like 7, 8 different pastry bags, you would just use a little spatula to fill your one main pastry bag. So you would take your spatula with the one icing and you would fill it into the cuff of the pastry bag. But what I do, because I always have them filled and I think it's easier and it keeps it in one straight line better, is take the one color. Can you get in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and I'm basically going to just pipe the one color down that one side.
Okay, that's pink.
And here's my next color right next to it. See that?
So, ladies and gentlemen, look, she's putting it right next to it.
Yep.
And this is how you're going to get the rainbow swirl.
And then the next color there.
Okay.
And then the next color here.
Alright. But they're all on top of one another, but don't
Well, not really. I mean, they're next to each other.
Hey, give me a second, let me fill it. Alright, so they're next to one another, you guys.
And then here, I'm going to just add some white. And the white kind of helps to keep them all a little bit separate, I find.
Alright, so leave it like that. So there you go. You got all the colors in the bag. Okay.
Yeah. Now, your first squirt is going to be mainly like the white that I just put in there. So, actually,
let's see.
I don't have any bowls or anything set up. So basically, I just want to, you want to get that out first.
Yeah.
Until it starts running with all the colors. You see how the swirl is starting to happen?
Okay, yes.
Alright.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah.
Oh, cool.
So there you have it. Now, I saw a really cool thing on the internet, and basically it was like this.
Oh, pretty.
I thought it was really cool. Rather than just like one big swirl like we normally do, I thought that was a cool idea, right?
I like that. It looks cool.
So there's how I do a very clean rainbow swirl, because somebody was asking me on Facebook, like, they make this pastry bag where inside the pastry bag is all different compartments. It's almost like it's separated inside.
Okay.
So my answer to them was, I do not buy that. I just do it the way I showed you guys.
So this is, now what would you, as your pastry chef, what would you say this technique is you're using for the decorating? Squiggly? swirlies?
It's sort of like rainbow swirl rosettes.
Rainbow swirl rosettes.
Because it's a bunch of little rosette swirls to make the top of this icing decoration.
That's
rather
so
than,
cool. It looks like little
nice?
clouds.
Yeah.
We do this one. I like that. You know, I could watch you all day on YouTube.
Really?
Actually, I do. No, I'm kidding.
A lot of people do.
A lot of people do. I mean, you guys.
Crumb Boss TV, it's addicting.
Crumb Boss TV, #1 channel on #1 baking channel on YouTube. YouTube crowned us that.
Now, do you see how it started here?
Yes.
And then as we got towards the end, it started to get a little bit darker. That is what's going to happen, guys. So you may want to, you know, once you get to the end of your bag, if you have more cupcakes to decorate, you're going to want to rinse out your bag and start over, because as you just keep dumping in more icing, it's going to all mix together and sort of end up gray.
Yeah.
And you don't want gray at the end.
No, but I think it's beautiful. So these are tie-dye cupcakes with rainbow swirl rosettes, buttercream, and she
Favorite holiday, for God's sakes.
Crumb Boss.